Oh dear. Good morning and, well, it's good morning for me. Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a little vlog for the first time. So I'm going down to my studio in London and I'm going to do a little studio tour and show you around. And then later on I've got a meeting. I can't take you in the meeting, but anyway, I'm going to take you along with me and yeah, let's spend the day together. Okay, we are here. That building behind me is where my studio is. Let's go in. In the future studio. It is pretty white in here. When I first rented it, the floor was grey, but I asked if we could paint it white. And so me, my mum, my boyfriend came and painted it a few times. I think it turned out really well. I just wanted a sort of like blank canvas. Let me show you around, show you what I've got in here. So number one, this is me. Here I am, it's me, hello. So this mirror is from IKEA. Let me show you it in full. There. I originally did want to get some sort of fancy antique inspired mirror, but I kept looking online and there was just nothing that caught my eye. Or if it did, they were like £1,000, like one from Anthropology. Oh my god, it's so nice. Yeah, as I didn't like any, I thought, do you know what? I'm just gonna go with this IKEA one. It's massive, nice and minimal. And then if one day I find a beautiful antique mirror that I'm in love with, I'll get that one. It's like £90 from IKEA, I think. I'll link it in the description box. What else we got in here? I'll show you where we are. We are in East London, sort of near the Olympic Stadium, as you can see over there. It's the West Ham Stadium now. And yeah, this lovely building says someone has herpes. I don't know who has herpes. They have a very short name. Yeah, welcome to East London. Yeah, so this is my pattern cutting table. The story behind this table, I used to hand make swimwear. And so all day, every day I was sewing, and I actually started doing it at my parents' dining room table. But if you're standing, cutting all day, every day on a lower table, you end up having to bend down all day, which isn't good. And so I wanted to get a pattern cutting table, but pattern cutting tables are crazy expensive. And so I looked into ways that I could make my own. This is what we did in the end. We bought these trestles from IKEA. You can see they're like adjustable, so they go up to the right height because it needs to be like waist height. So we bought 4 of those and a big sheet of wood, and basically just stuck them on top. My dad's made a little fixture so they, oh, you can see on this one where it's come up, so they like slot in, but it's really sturdy. Unfortunately, I put a bed under here. My dogs used to lie under it, but then they started to chew it, so it's got these like massive gashes out of them. So I'm just going to paint over them. It's okay, it does the job. I spray painted the top white. I love it. Actually, I have my brand, and this means that we'll be able to work around it, but also be able to like invite pattern cutters or pattern cut ourselves. So the next thing I wanted to tell you about is this sofa. You might have seen on my stories, I got this sofa from a charity shop. It's second hand, obviously. It was only 50 quid and the money goes to a nature reserve, so I thought that was really cute. And I love how minimal it is. It just goes in with the white sort of theme. I know it's not quite white, but you know, once this is more lived in, it'll be great to have like a little meeting area and then working area. Let me just put this down. So I know it's not the biggest space in the world, obviously, and my brand is very small, and so this is like the biggest I could afford, and even then I beat them down. But I am just so happy with it, and like just been a dream of mine to always have my own studio. It feels like a really cool creative space. Yeah, I'm excited. Right, what else can I show you? I've got a screwdriver, a pair of fabric scissors. Well, they used to be fabric scissors, but they just are blunt, so I use them for anything. Some really exciting cleaning equipment, and I have a fridge. Oh, fridge tool. Yeah, it's got fuck all in. Diet Coke, Snacker Jacks, and 1 nut bar. That's good. Oh, here's my stairs, so we can get up there, because that's going to be a storage space. These are the stairs you can pull out to get up to it. I got my boyfriend to paint them white. Took him ages. He wasn't happy about it. I just like everything being white. But yeah, here we are, and welcome. So I just wanted to explain a little bit. This space is going to be for my brand and a place to work on it, create content, invite people to come work with me. I have just recently put out a job ad for a design assistant so they can come and help with designing next season, work on all sort of creative content. I've been doing it for a little while now. Never been something that I've wanted to do on my own. It's become really hard doing it on my own. It can be really lonely. I'm really excited to get somebody to be creative and have fun and make the collections incredible and better and move them forward and move the brand on. But yeah, I need to reply to emails about interviewing. Then I need to make a move to this meeting that I've got. The meeting's with a new PR for the brand, so that's really exciting. Also, I feel a bit nervous about that as well. But yeah, right, I'll check back in. Hello. Oh my god, I'm a sweaty mess. I just got back to studio. Whew. It's hot in London today, but I had a really successful meeting with my new PR. It just seems like a really strong woman, which I am a fan of. But anyway, I just bought myself something to eat for lunch. I mean, I say lunch, it's 4 o'clock, but the traffic going home is gonna be crazy. I'll just stay here for a bit, do some emails, and eat my belated lunch. So I'm just about to film a little Instagram styling video, but I didn't bring many clothes with me, so I'm gonna make do with what I've got. And I want to show you, I popped into Westfield on my travels. I got a new mascara. It's the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but apparently it's got diamonds on it. It wasn't any extra, but I love this mascara. If you're looking for a new mascara, this is my favourite. I'm just gonna do a little video and then I'm gonna go home, but it's gonna be such bad traffic. Oh, yeah. So that's what it looks like when I film an outfit video. I think I'm gonna go home and edit that video. Yeah, even though it is 4:45 or something, aka the worst time to be driving home from London. I realise this has been a slightly boring vlog. This is life, isn't it? I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna sit in traffic for fucking ages, and I'm going to watch Love Island. But I hope you enjoyed this little studio tour vlog. I hope it was interesting. If there's anything else you'd like me to do, please let me know. It's confusing from my point of view to know what would be interesting, but if there's something that would be interesting, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me. The more I vlog, the more I do things like this, the better I'll get at it, I promise. So thank you for supporting anyway, and leave me a comment, subscribe, like, everything. Thank you. Have a good evening or day or week or whatever. Bye.